Can I pet them too? Can I pet my own buddies? Ohayo gozaimasu! Yes, I can. How? Action bar. Let me wait. Wait. Ah! Oh, cute! Oh, pet! Chonkas, I love you! Oh! You, oh, kawaii! Ooh, you like that, don't ya? Yes, rub that belly, rub it. Yes. Cute baby Chonkers, I love you. What about you? Oh, he really wants to be pet. Look at it. I love it when doggos do that, when they're so excited that when they're sitting there like tapping their feet, tap. You take a treat. Hi. Oh, it's on his nose. Wait. No. Whoa, cute. Shake. Oh, yo. Good job, Paul. Yes. Yes, good doggo. Pet. Ah, no, he's so happy. Oh my god, smooth chill. What the hell? What's that? Oh my. A big doggo. Help. I really don't want. One thing about doggos that I don't like is being like licked by the doggo. It's like so wet and all. I really don't like that. I could never get used to that, I think. Yeah, so high five, Junkas! Yeah! Oh, we got that down. Oh, that's fancy. I tried to... When I was in school, I tried to make up like moves like that as well. But... I couldn't make up anything that cool. Oh yeah, playing with that! Yeah, you can't catch it, Junkas. You need to work out a little bit more. You fat, Junkas. デブってるからもうちょっと運動しなきゃいけないよ。あ、cute, another high five. Cute. Okay, now you can go. There we go.